Woodpecker's new shelf pin template covers all your bases, combining both inch and metric hole spacings for 1/4 inch or 5mm holes, and works with self-centering drill bits and router guide bushings. The Woodpecker shelf pin template is CNC machined from 3/8 thick phenolic material with 3/8 diameter holes that are compatible with most shelf pin drill guides and 3/8 router guide bushings. The shelf pin template is easy to use. It comes with 6 referencing pins, 3/4 inch and 3 5mm. One side is for inch spaced holes with 3 setbacks, 1.5 inch, 2 inch, and 2.5 inch. Flip it over and it's metric with 32mm spaced holes and one setback of 37mm. Let's drill some holes using the snappy shelf pin guide and our setback at 1.5 inches. The shelf pin template is symmetrical, so you rotate it to the back edge of your board and both sets of holes will line up perfectly. Now that was quick and easy, and the spacing of the holes looks great. Now let's use a 3/8 router guide bushing and plunge router with a 1/4 inch downcut spiral bit with a setback of 2 inches. For doing fine woodworking, this method will give you perfect holes. Like all Woodpecker brand tools, the shelf pin template is made right here in the USA.